Great day. My name is Jeremy Añunuevo. I'm 22 years old and living in General Mariano Alvarez, Cavite. Took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management in National College of Science and Technology. I am a highly motivated person and adaptable individual with a background of online marketing and sales. Former intern of Moto Express Sales Corporation, GMA branch, under the Department of Marketing and Sales. I have work experience which are I am one of the online marketing and customer service in Unitop Mall, Dasmariñas, and I am one of the sales representative of CLN Dasmariñas. I would like to be part of your progressive company and I look forward hear from you soon. Thank you for watching my video resume. Have a great day and God bless.